I uploaded how many cards to my COLLX account? What is up, everybody? It's your boy Sports Card, and I'm going to show you how to post on COLLX. Alright, you're going to go to the scan option. Here we go, just setting up everything. Just give me a second. Alright, you're going to do front and back, and you're going to hit the sports option in the top. First, we're going to start out with the Luka Doncic. Take a picture of both front and back, and then the AI is going to do its thing. Sometimes you don't get the right player, so you got to go in and see if you can find it here. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. If not, you got to go to the three dots and choose this is the wrong card. And when you do that, you got to search it up yourself. That was a splash, Luka Doncic, purple. We're over here typing it. I thought, the other ones would come up, and they didn't. So we're going to try this one more time. Make sure you spell the name right, so then it won't pop up. Splash, purple, right there in the top, right? We're going to do the same thing with this Curry, pictures front and back. So it's a Winter Stay Optic 2024, 2025, purple. Sometimes it'll give you an option to choose parallels within whatever you're searching. And you can just click on it, and it's super easy. But sometimes you got to do a little deep dive and find the right parallel that you're looking for. Sometimes you get it right away. Sometimes it takes a minute, not gonna lie, but it's not a perfect app, but it's almost there. You gotta find the right ear and the right parallel, not the shimmer, the purple, regular purple. Sometimes this happens a lot with the inserts, but not like the regular cards. You'll see in a second. Same thing with the LeBron. Didn't pull up the purple. I think I was gonna go back to it. See, so it picked up the Hoops Haunted, the Haunted Hoops. It's not the right one. It's the Hoops Premium stock. There's a shock right there. And you see right there, boom. You look for the color, and there it is. Easy. If the top's chrome, Wade Cunningham. Didn't pick it up, but it has that option where you could choose a parallel. And there you go. Super easy. Same thing with the Shaq. It's not the X Factor, it's the blue X Factor. And there we go. Top's chrome Ray Wave of Nikola Jokic. You got the Giannis Antetokounmpo Reptile parallel. You got my boy Elliot Ramos here. I think at this point I was just gonna fly through all the cards and then go back and fix them. Here we go. Edgar Martinez, red cracked ice. Got the Elliot Ramos Mojo Bowman Chrome prospect card. You got a purple Topps Chrome Elliot Ramos front and back again. Sometimes you get the hang of it and you just fly through cards. Do like 100 at a time. There we go. I wasn't too sure about this one, but I knew it wasn't numbered, so it had to be the other one, the ice foil, because those are the only two options, and it isn't the regular base platinum. At the Topps Chrome, sometimes I just put them right there on the mat, and we take a picture, front and back. I think that was the last one. We're going to hit next in the bottom right corner, and this is when we start adding the prices, but we also got to find the right parallel, yeah? So I try to go a little under the medium price, depending on the player, depending on the card. Steph Curry, go a little bit higher because he's the GOAT. Sometimes you have it right there, boom, easy. Surprised this isn't going for a little bit more, but I like to give people deals, so. And now we're just adding prices to everything pretty much, going a little bit lower than the medium price. And then usually I'll get offers on them, and about, I don't know, like 80%, 90% of the time I'll accept it, unless it's like super low ball offer. Like if a card is like $10 and someone asked me for like $1, I'm like, no, you're crazy. No, thank you. This one was a little tougher to find for some reason because I spelled it wrong. I think his stuff is going to shoot up soon.